Afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this beautifully sunny April afternoon, and it's a wonderful 28 degrees today, and I've come up to take a walk around the impressive and immaculately presented Villa Morgan, situated here in the Los Torres community of Arboleas. And just check out those amazing views. So you just saw there on my left, you've got a quality wood opaque gate that leads into ample off-street parking. The gardens are very, very private, slightly elevated, 657 metres, and just afford the most spectacular views from wherever you are really. That's the living room there. Master bedroom. It's got a great big wraparound roof terrace. We'll go up and have a look at that later. And then a great covered porch running along, and the last window you see there is the main guest bedroom on the lower floor. Love this kind of wood pergola situated right at the end of the pool. Pool is pristine, 8x4, and encased by this expansive sun deck patio. Now, a very unique property this, because, and there's lots of things going on that I'll point out as we walk around, but when the owners purchased the plot or the land to have the villa built on, they also purchased, you can see that kind of screening fence at the front here. Just below that is a further 650 odd metre urban building plot that they purchased at the same time, really to create a buffer zone between them and the next neighbour, and to assure that their wonderful views were always protected. That offers a whole host of opportunities, as you can imagine. I mean, you can keep it as it is now, just to protect your privacy. You could put some steps down and create a wonderful kind of very large tiered garden over 1,200 metres, or perhaps you could build a kind of little guest bungalow, a cottage, and rent it out and earn some income. Bowled over by this one, absolutely beautiful. So coming in now to the covered porch, which is very welcome. Double doors there that lead into the lounge. This beautiful character wood front door, absolutely gorgeous that. As you can see, stone cladding around the entire base, which is marble topped. So again, very high quality. Now, another lovely selling point, which I think should attract a lot of interest. The property has been beautifully and minimally furnished, and the furniture shown in the video is included in the sales price as well. So genuinely, you can, a ready-to-go property, kick back and relax. Not a bad job, eh? Someone's got to do it. So let's take a look around now, the interior. I've come through the beautiful front door there. As you can see, nice long hallway. End door takes into the main guest bedroom. There's two doors there on the left, a further double bedroom and a bathroom. The beautiful marble stairs that take you up via a vaulted kind of lobby area to the master bedroom, and a really handy understair store cupboard where the washing machine's all plumbed in. I suppose the first room we should really take a look at is the lounge and dining room, and this wonderful neutral character tiling scheme runs throughout and kind of really works very well with the property. So coming in through arched access, got a top quality air conditioning unit there. You can see the kitchen. Again, it's a galley style. They've opened up an arch, but that could be closed in. You've got a separate arch next door that gives you access. Pan around. Corner mounted wood burning fireplace. The double doors there straight out to the porch again. And a little pan around from this end. Got lots of interest in this property and requests for the video, so I'm going to take my time so you can get a proper look at the interior. Onto the kitchen. As I said, the washing machine's plumbed in the understair cupboard. Nice induction hob there. The bang on the money, very contemporary wood worktops. Built-in oven, or ovens. And then that last door there on the right, that's an integral big fridge freezer. So coming back into the hallway now with the lounge diner behind me, past the stairs going up to the upper floor. These windows look out through the porch onto the wonderful views behind. So first door on the left is a big double bedroom, easily big enough for a big, single bed, a king size or something like that, but the owners have opted for bunk beds in here because it's used often for holidays. Lots of grandkids and stuff like that. Good sized bank of rolling fronted fitted wardrobes in here, and air conditioning. And immediately next door to that you have the newly refurbished, very good sized bathroom. Wonderful corner shower there, bidet, WC, hand basin. And then immediately next door to that you have the main guest bedroom on this floor. Very good sized double. A double bank of rolling fronted fitted wardrobes in here. And again air conditioned. And this literally looks out over the pool. I'll give you a little glimpse out through the window if we can see through it, because the sun's shining straight through at the moment. Don't know if you'll get it, but wonderful backdrop. So now let's go and look at the master suite upstairs. So up via the vaulted ceilings onto this nice little landing area, you can see there's door access there on the right, which takes you out onto the wraparound roof terrace, and then further access off the master bedroom, which is here to the left, out onto that same terrace. So the master bedroom, air conditioning you see there, newly refurbished ensuite bathroom, and then door to a walk-in wardrobe area, if you like, on the right there. Double door access there out onto the porch. The huge sun solarium. Let's go and take a look. But before we do, there's a quick whiz around the ensuite for the master. So out to this gorgeous wraparound terrace, and hey, look at this, guys. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Bit of a breeze, I hope that's not too strong. This goes all the way along the front of the master bedroom here, and then around the corner as well. Now from up here, and this is one of the main reasons for filming this bit, this is the additional plot. You can see it, a long square or rectangular, shaped plot that sits immediately in front and is just slightly down below. I don't know if you can pick that up from the video, but of course that enjoys the same views, and it's urban, so if you want to build something on it you can leave it as it is, or encompass it into the existing garden. Quick whiz around the other side, you can see the solar hot water tank there. That's a door going into the landing. Just startled the bird. I don't know who jumped more. So there you have it. Villa Morgan, €284,950. 2 600+ metre plots. A pristine 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with 8x4 swimming pool, sold fully furnished. Full details will be available in the link below. And if you'd like to come and have a look, give us a shout, calidahomes@hotmail.com. Or give us a call, +34 950 430 763. We very much look forward to hearing. See you soon, guys.